Hi everyone, my name is Arup Basak. I am from West Bengal, Kolkata. I did my graduation Bachelor in Computer Science from JC Bose University in Science and Technology. After that, I came Bangalore. I enrolled for CyberSecurity Master. Here I learned basic of networking CCNA, CEH, CPaint and bug hunting program, as well as I learned Python script. Those things actually enhance my cybersecurity skill. Faculty of Networkers Home helped me a lot to actually crack the interview. I attend communication class, interview class. I attend also 2 or 3 mock interview. After that, I overcome the fear for the interview. My elder sister suggests me, who actually working in IBM. I do lots of research on internet. After that, I came here and joined Networkers Home. I came Bangalore in the month of July and enrolled for CyberX Master in Networkers Home. I completed basics of networking, CCNA, CEH, CPaint, Python scripting. My trainer is Nikunj and Bharat sir. Here I meet with many students and share our thoughts and knowledge that actually helped me a lot to studying better, and we study together. Instead of bookish knowledge, Networkers Homes helped me to gain theoretical knowledge on devices as well as web. Till now I attend 4 interview. Finally I got selected in persistence system in Pune location. My joining date is 1st April as a cybersecurity associate with good package to start my career in cybersecurity domain, which is actually my dream job. My overall experience in Networkers Home is good. My entire batchmate got placed in good company. In my college life, that time I have the bookish knowledge, okay? But here I came Networkers Homes, I learned actually the theoretical knowledge and practical knowledge. I enhanced my practical knowledge. So even in my BTech, whenever I doing the BTech now, that time I how to do subnetting, networking, basic things I don't know. So here I came here and learn those things, those networking things, cybersecurity domain. Even 6 months before, I don't know how to operate the Sky Linux system, how to input the command. Here I came and within a 6 months I learned those things and how to test the website and how to find a bug inside a website. I learned those things. Nikunj sir helped me to find out how to find a bugs. Those things I learned. I never learned those things in my college. They just give me the theoretical knowledge. I never learned the practical knowledge, how to perform those things. I will recommend who want to join Networkers Homes. If you really want to enhance your practical skill, this is actually the best institute in Bangalore. You can join this institute. If you came Networkers Homes, if you want to switch your company after 1 year, Networkers Home help you. Thank you, Networkers Home.